Hi, I'm Courtney, and I'm a professional esthetician. I get to spend my life helping people to find and learn how to use the best products that are in the skincare industry. That's why I'm so excited to talk to you today about one of my favorite products, the Noni Brightening Night Cream. I have my friend Jess, who is with us today. She's going to help demonstrate how to use the night cream every night when you apply it. So thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
A lot of people ask, why is it important to even have a night cream? And the reason is your skin actually repairs itself at nighttime. That's where it does all of its hard work. So beauty sleep is actually a real thing. It's not just a joke. At night, your skin needs extra nutrients and extra moisture to make sure that you wake up with that glowing skin that you're looking for. So applying a night cream is going to give the added moisture and nutrients that your skin needs in order to repair itself. One of the reasons why I love the TeMana night cream is because it is super luxurious feeling. It's got shea butter in it and a lot of humectants, so it pulls moisture to your skin and traps it onto your skin all night long. So your skin cells, when they're busy and hard at work, they have everything that they need to be successful. I also love this night cream because it contains a lot of noni. Noni helps to brighten the skin or illuminate it. It makes your skin really glow. It makes it very healthy. It can help to reverse hyperpigmentation like sunspots, age spots, or even pregnancy mask, which can be caused through hormonal fluctuations in women who are pregnant or have been pregnant recently. I love it because you wake up in the morning and you look really refreshed and ready to take on the day. Your skin looks vibrant and glowing, and it's honestly one of my favorite products to use altogether. To use the night cream, you need to make sure that you prepare your skin properly. Jess has already done that, so we're ready to get going. I love this night cream because it comes with the cutest little spatula of all time. It is so tiny. You can go ahead and hold that. And the reason why is, first of all, it's really fun and it's really luxurious, but also you don't want to contaminate all of the night cream in this jar with the oil or dirt that could be on your fingers. So it has this protective sealant on top of it, and it also comes with the spatula, so that way you're not dipping your fingers in it and contaminating the rest of the product. It's super easy to pop off, and I actually like to use it as a little palette for the product. So you can go ahead and scoop a generous amount, probably, yes, that is the perfect amount right there, and slide it onto your palette. Now, I'll take this and hold this while you apply it to make it a little bit easier. When I'm at home by myself, I just like to set it down on my counter and I can reach and use it as I need to. While you apply the night cream, you want to apply in upward motions from the inside of the face going outwards. The reason being is gravity pulls on your face all day long, and we don't want to give aging any more than it's already got on your skin. So you need to make sure that you're using upwards motions when you're applying any products to your face. This will help your skin to maintain its elasticity, which helps your skin to stay firm and youthful. I love the way that you're applying it from the inside out because you're really getting the areas that can be really dehydrated, like underneath the eyes. If you find yourself having dark, deep set circles underneath your eyes, adding night cream after the eye cream is going to really help focus on that area. If you need more for your neck and your chest, you can definitely take more. I like to use as much of this as possible because it feels so thick and creamy with the shea butter, and it really nourishes and moisturizes the skin with the noni. How does your skin feel as you're applying this?
It feels really good. This is so thick and like creamy. It feels so nice to apply.
Having glowing skin is really hard work, and your skin cells lose a lot of water when they work at nighttime. So that's why it's important to use a night cream, because you're giving your skin the extra moisture and nutrients that it needs while your skin cells are busily working and reproducing themselves for a healthy, glowing skin. How does your face feel after you've applied it to your neck and to your chest?
It feels so good, and it feels like it's just going to like suck all the moisture in there. And so just let it just soak it all in throughout the evening.
That's why it's important to put a night cream on after the serum, because it's helping all of the other products that we've used in our regimen to stay in the pores and in the skin where they can be the most effective. So after you're done using the night cream, your skin is radiant and glowing. You'll wake up tomorrow and it will feel extremely moisturized, and it really is a wonderful feeling to have.
Oh yeah, it feels great. Even on my hands, it feels really nice.
After you're finished applying the night cream, make sure that you put this sealant part on top. It's just going to help so the night cream doesn't get contaminated from any of the environmental factors or from your fingers, things like that. I like to put the spatula on top so it's easy to find the next night when I go to reapply, and seal tightly. I'm really excited for you guys to start using the TeMana-Noni Brightening Night Cream every night. You are going to see a huge difference in the way that your skin is hydrated, not only during the night, but during the day as well. Thanks, Jess, for being here with me today. It was fun to have you try out the night cream, and it's fun to see how much your skin is glowing and how moisturized it is right now.
Yeah, thank you for letting me try it out.
I'm really glad that you liked it.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us, and if you have any questions, please reach out to the person who shared this video with you. They can help you to purchase the product. They can answer any questions or concerns that you may have. You may also send your questions to our Facebook page. I'm really excited for you to see your results and for you to wake up with moisturized and glowing skin. Thanks, and have a great day.